Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Samsung Pay step by step. If you've never used Samsung Pay before or you're not sure how to set it up properly, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add your card and pay using just your phone. First things first, you need to have the Samsung Pay app on your device. Open the Samsung Galaxy Store or the Google Play Store, search for Samsung Pay and download it. If it's already installed, just open the app. Once Samsung Pay opens, sign into your Samsung account. On most Samsung phones, you're already logged in, so this part usually happens automatically. If not, enter your Samsung account details and continue. Next, Samsung Pay will ask you to set up security. This is required before you can add any cards. You'll be asked to choose a PIN, fingerprint, or face recognition. This security step makes sure only you can make payments even if someone else gets access to your phone. After setting up security, tap on Add Card. You'll now have two options. You can take a photo of your debit or credit card so Samsung Pay fills in the information for you, or you can enter the card details manually. Choose the option that's easiest for you, and continue. Once your card details are entered, tap Next. You'll be asked to review and accept the terms and conditions. After that, your bank may need to verify the card. This usually happens through a text message, email, or your banking app. Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification. After verification is done, your card is officially added and ready to use. Now let's talk about how to pay with Samsung Pay. When you're at a store with a contactless payment terminal, open the Samsung Pay app. If you've enabled quick access, you can simply swipe up from the bottom of your screen even when your phone is locked. Select the card you want to use, confirm your identity with your fingerprint, face, or PIN, and then hold your phone close to the payment terminal. In just a few seconds, the payment will go through. Samsung Pay also keeps your information secure by using tokenization, which means your real card number is never shared with the store. And that's how you set up and use Samsung Pay from start to finish. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.